100.
Hi guys, so I'm just getting ready to get on my plane. God, it's such a nightmare of like trying to get through, I don't know, the plane and the whole journey and stuff. Yeah, so I'm ready to go. I have a few magazines for the plane, and then I just texted my cousin Dylan to see can he meet me in London. So that's it. I'm staying in a hotel called Curtin Hotel. I think I will actually be able to tell you more of the hotel that I'm staying in when I get there. So I'll talk to you when I arrive in London. Walk out of the lift. Look at this. This is so cool. Oh my god. And my room's down here. I'm in number 516. 514. I passed it. God, what's wrong with me? Look at this, guys. Ooh. Oh my god. Look. Oh my god. Look at the balloon. It has my initials on it. That is so cute. And my NIVEA stuff, look, AM for my initials. That is so cute. It's a bag tag. Oh my god. And these are our MicellAIR products. Oh my god, I'm so excited. The light's on. Look at this place, guys. This room is serious. So my big balloon, which I kind of want to bring with me. Look at the size of this television, guys, as well. Like, it's definitely maybe a 42-inch. And then look how cute the little stuff is beside the bed. Oh my god, a little clock and a radio. Guys, this place is serious, and I love the wall. Look at the wall. It's actual real brick. Is it? Oh my god, it is real brick. And then over there we have the wardrobe, my suitcase, and then like little flowers here. This is so cute. Home is where the Wi-Fi is. This is so cute. Obviously that's kind of like room service as well. Look at this couch. Oh my god, this couch is really nice. It's leather. Look at it. It's so nice. The wardrobe, obviously. And there's a safe down there. Oh my god, and the light comes on when you open up. Look at this. What have we got here? A little pineapple. Ooh, what the hell is that? What's this? Scottish barley. I don't think I ever drink any of these alcoholic things ever. I'm always like looking for the Diet Coke. Here's the good stuff. Well, no. Oh, behind Diet Coke. I got a knock on the door, and the guys from downstairs brought up like a room service of 2 little chocolate biscuits. I'm so excited. Here that they have little hearts and XOs on it from NIVEA. They're the guys who did that. The NIVEA guys. This is the bathroom, my favorite part of the whole room. Look at this. So sliding door, and then you walk in and there's like tiles on the floor, and it's so cute, like little black and white tiles. And then look at all the goodies here that NIVEA left for us. They have a little ring mirror here for doing your makeup. A very zoomed in ring mirror. Wow, I'm seeing all my flaws. And we've got some, what you call it, hand wash. Pearl and Beauty deodorant. Then we've got 2 little NIVEA round cotton rounds. We've got the Daily Essential moisturizer. I love NIVEA's moisturizers. They're still my like holy grail ride or dies. We've got the Pearl and Shine Caring Lip Balm. My mama will love that. Look at this little trinket jar, and there's like little things in there. That's on the hotel. We have the 1 minute Urban Detox Mask. So that is a purifying white clay and magnolia extract mask. And then we've got the Rich Body Lotion and a hand cream. I love their hand cream as well. I often use that. Look at this shower, guys. The shower is sick. So you open the shower and you walk in, and there's another mirror right here, just if you wanted to watch yourself showering. And then we've got the NIVEA Silk Moisturizing Creme Care for silky soft skin every day. I love these in shower body lotions. There's the whole gist of the room. It's so bloody amazing. I feel so spoilt, and every time I'm brought on these brand trips I'm like, do they really mean me? Do they really? But when I was talking to Fleur downstairs, she was like, we really wanted to work with you on this. And she was like, when we were talking to your manager Dave, he was so lovely. Your manager is really, really, really nice. And I was like, well, my manager is actually like one of my friends now at this stage. Like, Dave's amazing. But they were just like, he's really easy to get on with, he's really straightforward. And I was like, yeah, I obviously made sure when I was selecting my manager that he was going to be like that, because I'm not really up to the whole, like, I don't know, some people probably think I am really high maintenance, but I'm actually not, and I'm really easygoing and chilled out. Anyway, I wanted my manager to be exactly like that, and my manager is fantastic, because this trip has just been amazing so far, and I'm only here like an hour. I need to, I think, relax a little bit. I'm very tired and hyper at the same time. I want to kind of organize my hair and get dressed, and I think I'm gonna have like, I don't know, a shower, maybe take all my makeup off and then reapply it later on, so it's like fresh for tonight, because it's not feeling great right now. And then I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna have some snacks as well. I know I'm not the only one that when you get to a hotel and a room with a big bed like this, all you want to do is go like this. Oh my god, it's so soft as well. Might have a little nap here. Okay, so I am ready to go out tonight. I'm just wearing this black dress, the boobalicious there, and I'm wearing these like mauvey pink earrings, and then I'm gonna wear like my pink jacket that I was wearing a while ago. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing, and I better go because my phone is like hopping. I'd say they're like waiting for me. Get a drink. This looks beautiful. I know. They look nice. I'll grab one in a moment. I have no free hands. Thank you though. Look at this, guys. Look at the unicorns and flamingos. Oh yeah, are you sure? This is so cute. Look at this. Wow. I'm obsessed. Look at the flowers. Everything is pink and black. Look at this. This hotel is absolutely fabulous. This is the rooftop bar, guys. Look at it. It's just gorgeous. And little nooks and crannies where you can hide out, and a pool. If only it was warm enough to go out there. These are all like the little NIVEA things. I'm show you them more because they're going to talk about each individual product soon. But look at the little candles. Everything's just so cute. Look at my drink. It has a flower in it. And guys, you know Amy. Amy, say hi.
And drink.
Introduce yourself.
My name's Amy. That's all I have to say.
Tell them what you do.
I am a makeup artist. I'm actually doing Ashley's makeup tomorrow. No pressure, you know, the do it chew. And we have a branded taxi.
With our faces on it.
And hopefully more drinks with flowers in them.
With flowers. Look at this little flower. Don't drink it.
Can you imagine?
Look at this, guys. Look at the view up here. And there's NIVEA towels as well. Just if you're feeling confident enough to take a dip, but it is starting to spit, so I wouldn't do it. What we're doing tomorrow is we're getting a taxi with our names or our faces, or
let's hope our full face. Casual, really.
Yeah, really casual. And Amy's gonna do my makeup whilst in a moving car.
Like purple blusher, green lipstick.
Blue lips. I want blue lips. Blue for NIVEA. Yeah. So that's what we're doing tomorrow. And then we're going to Camden. Then we have
another dinner.
Another dinner.
So food and more
lots
food.
Of food. Lots
with some
of food.
NIVEA in between.
And oh yeah, there's more photography as well going on tomorrow.
We have a personal crew.
Yeah, and there is an itinerary.
Well, the dress code was black. You think I'm wearing black, but actually I'm wearing mainly pink.
Well, we'll look at Amy's outfit. Look at that for an outfit. Isn't she such a stun bun? Look at that little face. Super excited.
Good evening, everybody! Let me introduce myself shortly. My name is Olga and I am from the NIVEA team. So we are sitting in Hamburg in the headquarters, and our bread and butter is to develop new products. And today I'm very excited because I'm from the face cleansing team, and we are bringing an amazing product to the market, which is the NIVEA Micellar Expert Water, the black one. And we are super excited to be here today and to host you here today. And I have with me my partner in crime, Elisa, also from the headquarters, and she has been really instrumental to organizing this whole event. So I think we have a great program in the next 1.5 days. The dinner today, tomorrow we're going to do a lot of interesting things. So thank you for being here with us. And Alisa is going to take you through what we have in front of us actually in the next 1.5 days. So I'm really excited, Alisa.
Also, welcome from my side. Happy that you're all here and that the event is finally taking place. Well, as Olga said, today we have the welcome dinner. So you
Hey guys, I'm just back in my room. Oh my god, my makeup looks such a hot mess. It's been on for 10,000 million years. So I'm gonna take it off right now. I had the best night ever. I got to meet so many amazing bloggers and YouTubers. I got to meet Roxy from Roxarus. Obviously I'm with Amy. I love Amy so much, guys. You have to follow Amy online. She is just one of the sweetest, kindest people I've ever met. Tomorrow we have breakfast at 8:30 in the morning and it's just gone 11, so I'm gonna hop into bed. I am so tired. I know I'm gonna have a fabulous day. I just cannot wait. So there's so many exciting things going on tomorrow and I can't wait to bring you guys along. So I will let you all go because I'm gonna take my makeup off with the new micellar water from NIVEA, and they have wipes. Obviously I know wipes are not like great, but these wipes are like, they've no residue and they're for sensitive skin and stuff. They have a lash protectant in them and stuff like that, so they're not supposed to be too harsh on your skin, chemicals and stuff. So I'm gonna use them tonight, and yeah, I think that's it. I am super bloated. The food was amazing. I forgot to take like images of everything. I just had a shower, like one of the most amazing showers ever. Sorry, I'm just like trying to clear the bed off. And now I'm lying in a bathrobe on my beautiful bed for the night. And I'm gonna get some shut-eye. I'm gonna put on a YouTube video, I think, because I have my monstrous TV over there. I am done, dusted for the day. This has definitely been one of my favorite days for ages. And I'm just so excited that I had such a wonderful day and that everybody's so lovely. And I can't wait to do it all again tomorrow. And tomorrow's gonna be just super exciting. I can't wait to bring you guys along. So I can't wait to talk to you then. Can I say I can't wait any more times? Anyway guys, I love you and I'm gonna leave you and I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Mwah. Night night.